Smart fields are shapes in Lucidchart that display Salesforce data beyond contacts, like data from the account, opportunity, or even a custom object. Smart fields can help you visualize key Salesforce information in your account maps, and of course, if you edit the data in Lucidchart, it'll sync back to Salesforce automatically. Once you've opened your account map in Lucidchart, you'll see all the available shapes and shape libraries on the left side of the canvas. At the top, you'll see a section labeled with the name of the account and a set of imported Salesforce objects underneath. Each one of these imported object sections can be expanded to reveal Salesforce objects and fields that you can drag and drop onto the canvas. These Salesforce objects are customized in your Salesforce Integration settings. If you need additional Salesforce objects and fields added to your account, contact your Lucidchart admin. Drag and drop any of the fields from the data panel to your canvas to add a smart field to your account map. You can display all the data fields in one shape by dragging the entire Salesforce object onto the canvas, or you can add individual fields. You can see how the data displayed on the shape corresponds with the smart field on the right contextual panel. To change which fields are displayed on the smart field shape, click and uncheck the box next to the field you do not want displayed. You can also choose if you want the field titles displayed by toggling Field Titles. To edit the Salesforce data on your smart field shape, double-click on the smart field and type to edit the data. Once you finish editing, your changes will be sent back to Salesforce. It's important to remember that this data is being pulled directly from Salesforce. That means, if any changes are made to the data by you or anyone else in Salesforce, those changes will be reflected on your Lucidchart document. This ensures that whoever is viewing your diagrams is always consuming the most accurate and up-to-date information. Additionally, edits made in Lucidchart will sync depending on your permissions in Salesforce. If you find you are unable to edit the information, it's most likely due to restricted permissions on editing certain account information within Salesforce, or that type of field is not supported within Lucidchart. You're all set and have everything you need to build powerful and robust account maps. Track your progress by watching our next video and learn how to view activity metrics for your account maps.